So let me give you a little overview about the brand new Alienware Area 51M. We take a desktop Core i9 processor and put it inside, and we put a brand new Nvidia 2080 max performance mode graphics card, and we are able to overclock both of those.
We decided that let's make this a true desktop replacement. We're adding all of the different upgradability involved in those. So you can upgrade the CPU or the GPU.
You can upgrade not just the memory, not just the SSD drives and the hard drives, not just the Wi-Fi cards. You can upgrade the graphics card too.
When we look for inspiration when we're designing Alienware products, we're looking at artists, sci-fi culture, movies, print, graphic design. We incorporate all of those references into the Legend design language.
Some of my favorite innovations on the Area 51M have to be the new design. It's just so revolutionary, it's so disruptive. It sets such a brand new industrial design look and feel for gaming systems that we know our audiences are going to be off-put by it, but in a great way. They're going to absolutely love it.
So we have 8-core, 9th gen Intel 9000 series desktop processors in this notebook that gives you a 50% performance gain over our current notebook.
This product is at a level that no gaming product has ever achieved before.